Hey everyone, I'm Pat Divilly, founder of the Journey the Breath Breathwork School. Today I'm going to take you through a short grounding meditation that I hope you enjoy. So, to begin, I'm going to invite you to find a seated position where you can be comfortable and undisturbed for the next couple of minutes. I'm going to encourage you to get your feet flat on the floor and to gently close down the eyes if that feels okay. Now, if you're happier with the eyes open, maybe just soften your gaze and have the eyes downcast. And we're going to begin by just bringing awareness down to your feet. So just noticing the shape and the weight of your feet. Noticing the sensations of your feet resting on the ground. You might even be able to notice where the ground ends and where your feet begin, so where your physical boundary lives. And then just going to bring the awareness up into the seat. So just noticing your seat, allowing yourself to adjust the body in any way you need to be more comfortable. And just feeling your sit bones. Again, noticing where the seat ends and where your body begins. And then just going to encourage you to gently tuck your chin to elongate your spine. Allow your shoulders to fall away from your ears. Allow your face and your jaw to soften. And then bring your awareness to the tip of your nostrils and start to simply follow your breath as it is. So nothing to change or fix, just following the breath as it comes into the body through the nostrils. And then following the breath as it goes back out through the nostrils. Following breath coming in. Following breath going out. And just continuing with that breath in and out. And on your next inhale, I'm going to encourage you to find a bit of length in your spine. So as you inhale, just feel your spine lengthen. And then as you exhale, continue to find length and let your shoulders soften. So breathing in, finding length in the spine. Exhaling, continuing to find length, letting your shoulders fall away from your ears. Now on your inhale, continuing with that length. And on your exhale, imagine washing softness down the front of your body. So soft chest, soft belly, soft pelvis. Breathing in, strong back. Breathing out, soft belly. And just continuing like this. Strong back, soft belly. I'm going to invite you to bring the breath to a 5 and 5 cadence. So breathing in through the nostrils for 5. And then breathing out for 5. Again, breathing in for 5. And breathing out for 5. A few more like that. In for 5. Out for 5. couple of more breaths here. As you continue with your 5-5 second cadence, just feel your feet, feel your seat, feel the strength of your back, the softness of your belly. And then just letting the count go and letting your breath find its natural rhythm and cadence. And as your breath returns to whatever feels comfortable, you might just notice now the quality of your mind in this moment, how you are, versus just a few minutes ago. Notice the quality of your breath. And notice how you feel in your body. Now I encourage you to slowly start to wiggle the fingers and toes. Begin to bring your awareness to the space around you. So maybe just hearing sounds in your space. And then gradually, when you feel ready, starting to open the eyes. Just have a look around your environment. It's good to orientate yourself, just to pick a few items that are familiar, creating that sense of safety through the eyes. And that is a short practice for today. I hope it was supportive for you. If you enjoy this type of practice, be sure to subscribe here on the channel where I host meditations, breathwork experiences, and also share a lot of videos around the mind-body connection and a body and breath-based approach to healing. Thank you for being here. Have a good day, and I'll speak to you soon. Grow more.